Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you base graphics settings for low end or mid end PC or laptop if you wanna play Waves Mid smoother. First of all, open the menu, go to settings. Here in the display tab you'll able to see settings related display. So first of all, you can put visual style, brightness or motion sickness reduction on default. Once you do that, you can change the display mode to windowed, and once you do that you'll able to see that the resolution is now unlocked. So if you're using 2K monitor or 4K monitor and your PC is not that high end, then you can just use 1920 by 1080. Then here you're gonna see the option for FPS limit. If you disable VSync, you'll able to unlock FPS limit, and you can just set this on 30 FPS in case if your PC is very low end. Then you can disable motion blur. Underneath of that, we're gonna see the option for super resolution type. So you can choose FSR or DLSS, whichever you have, and then you're gonna see the scale for that. You can just adjust that according to your preference, but the default one works pretty good in most cases. Next, if you scroll, you're gonna see the section for visual details. Right here you can choose graphics quality on performance. That way they're gonna put every single thing on low, and if you put this on low, that way you're gonna get better FPS or smoother gameplay. And yeah, this is the base settings for your low end or mid end PC or laptop for Waves Mid. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.